Her trip is set, her morning stress-free. How did it all come together so smoothly? For businesses, creating that smooth experience is faster than you think. An intelligent AI solution should let you establish capable assistants in minutes, not months. Modern AI lets you upload your existing knowledge, FAQs, documents, and internal wikis, and will automatically build an extensive knowledge base, ready for your quick review and approval. This method ensures instant setup, zero hallucinations, and long-term reliability. All within about an hour, you provide significant convenience and control for your customers, because great CX shines in moments like this. Maya's journey didn't start with a call, just a quick message, right where she already was.
I want to travel with my dog. She's only about 10 pounds.
All her major trip plans solidified, pet arrangements confirmed, payments handled, and questions answered, all before most people have even had their second coffee. Make your customer journeys easier. Inbenta.ai.